Alright, so I was asked to do a chain video, so I'm going to show you on this guy who needs a new chain. First we're going to find the master link, get it up here. Then we're going to get a pair of pliers. So I actually had a 40 chain with or 41 chain or 420 chain with the 41 link, so it was causing me problems, but it was just what I had when I built this. Since I've ordered some chain, and I'll show y'all how to do that. So I need to go ahead and pull this through. There's your old chain. Toss it to the side. Get some new chain here. Let's open this up. Alright, got our chain opened up. This is 420 chain I'm using. It should come with a link. Yep, there's a link. That's how we're going to measure it out. Here's your link. We're going to have to do a half link, it looks like, or pull the tire back. We'll pull the tire back so I can show you how to do a full link. Alright, loosen my tire so I can slide this back a little and tighten that chain up. See how that just tightened up? So now we don't have to do a half link. Now I'm going to show you how to break this chain. So you're going to need one of these, which is a chain breaker. You're going to put it right over the part where you know is your link. You're going to twist it down. I'm going to try to show you what it's doing over here. So it's going to push that pin through and pop it out. And you're going to have to do that on both pieces of the link. So you're going to have to do it like here and here on the one that you're taking off. So this piece comes off, this comes out, boom. Now, boom. All right. Now we're gonna take our master link, put it through. Take your pliers that you had and then pop this back through. Bingo. So now, just need to pull this tire back some, get that tight, lined up, and be good to ride.